Pick him up.
Elmo fell down. Can you help Elmo up, please?
Help him up. Watch this.
Elmo. Pick him up.
Thank you. You're Elmo's best friend.
Wrong foot. Push his other foot.
I want us to be the just a little. Okay, let's play. I want us to be the just a little story to tell you.
It's because he needs his little stool.
Elmo fell down. Can you help Elmo up, please?
Elmo needs his chair.
Thank you. You're Elmo's best friend. I want us to be the just a little story to tell you. Elmo's got it. Okay, let's play. Hi, Elmo's so happy to see you. Come give Elmo a big hug. You're Elmo's best. Elmo fell down. Thank you. You're Elmo's best friend. Elmo has a funny joke for you. So, Elmo just flew in from Sesame Street.
You want me to wipe his nose?
Huh?
You want me to wipe his nose?
It's not. Sing it.
Elmo's arm's tired.
Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie.
Come on. Dance with Elmo. Elmo loves this game. When Elmo says, dance, you dance.
Dance.
When Elmo says stop, you stop dancing. Ready? Can we have a little dance music, please? Dance! That's right. That's right. Happy. Happy. That's right. Wicked. Wicked. Now stop. Yeah! Let's speed it up a bit. Get ready. Dance.
Billy got me.
Really fast. Here we go.
Good girl, babe.
Elmo needs to take a break.
So I left at the end of the hallway for you his box, which I don't know if he breaks again. If you need it, but the receipts are all in there.
Oh yeah, I saw
And I
that.
have to give you
I'll probably put him in there.
to go home.
Yeah.